Good morning, guys. Here is Marisa again for Minto Rainy Vlog. So here in Satwa is like normal weather, normal life. So ayan, makikita nyo is talagang kalma lang. So bukas sa mga shops. Tapos ayan, ayan si KFC, open din sila 24 hours. Tapos ayan, maglalakad ako pang going to my jogging place.
So guys, eto, lakad-lakad ako. Time check is 8 o'clock here in the morning. So, the weather is like gloomy. Yeah. So, maglalakad tayo doon sa banda doon. Mag-walking ako. So, I try myself to get up early. To take some walk kasi, you know, is close ngayon ng mga school. So, nasa bahay lang kami. So, kailangan natin mag-walking. You know.
Ayun din si Jollibee. Everyday nakikita ko si Jollibee. So, I feel like I'm home. So, yan. Forward lang tayo doon. Tapos, this is Aldiapa. Yeah, and then that's it. See? Normal, just walking din sila. Walk lang sila na mag-walk. Kasi talaga namang normal lang dito. Kahit may threats, conflicts. That's it. So, this is the big mosque here, white mosque. Siyempre, everywhere here, there's a mosque. Tapos, yan, Ramadan ngayon, ayan. So, makikita nyo yung white tent na yan, dyan sila kumakain. Yan yung sinasabi nila na iftar, na after ng kalang, the whole day fasting, kumakain sila, siyempre.
So now it started raining. So mag-walking lang tayo. Siyempre pag umulan, titigil muna tayo. Ito naman is hindi maglo-long last tong ulan na to. Kasi nga gloomy, sabi ko sa inyo kanina is gloomy weather now. Gloomy ano yun? O kulimlim. Kulimlim ba dito? Tapos ayan may konti ng ambon.
So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye! See you again!